Welcome back, guys. So today we got the rear Adventure bumper in to put on the 24 Summit Adrenaline. Here's part of it. It's got to be all bolted together, but we want to just see how it fits before we do that. We'll be taking this one off and stay along for the show on how to do it. That'll work, Hobby?
Grab up here, buckle up.
Yeah. Okay guys, so it's a little hard to see, but that bolt there, I just took one out of right there. We got one there, and one a little bit further up right there. The paddle's blocking it.
Just gonna follow the
same on both sides. Just gonna undo them.
Yeah, that's your front too.
Okay, go back up.
I would assume they're all the same, but just so you guys know, it's a T30 Torx bit to take these off. Yeah.
How'd you learn that?
Don't worry about it. Get this paddle right in the way for any eyesight. Boom! Oh, that was easy. Cardboard laying around. We're just gonna mark the holes. We'll line it up on there and we'll just drill through the holes. That's next best option. So we got this piece of cardboard with the holes lined up. I just got 2 punches through the holes that are already existing. Now I'm just gonna mark the other ones, just like so. And that. We will drill those. Hopefully we got a decent mark. So both those white spots need to be drilled. That's that. Nothing like drilling a brand new sled.
Brand new sled. This just gotta hurt.
There's one.
Gentle.
This one's right through a double bracket. Down. Thank you. Holy fuck, bud. They're looking close here.
Close only counts in horseshoes and hand grenades.
Pull the bumper back, please.
Which way?
Like just out to you. So you can see this screw, because it ain't letting go. They're pretty close, but I may be, cross threads are better than no threads.
Easy. You just make the hole a smidge bigger.
Actually, picture perfect.
Nice.
Up once we put the actual backs on, I just want to wait for that.
Yeah. Wrong one. But she's mint.
Hopefully she's good.
That one, top
Beautiful.
left. It's always in my truck stealing shit. And we got a ton of extra bolts.
Does my shop still look bent?
It's a pain because, of course, these little tips are right in the way of the drill bit.
Do you know what I noticed today?
Oh no, it was that one that I thought.
So it comes with a little spacer and a little hole through it. You set this in these guys, these 2 back here, goes right in, and the 1/4" drill bit will go right inside for a perfect straight hole for us to then bolt through these later on. Just like that when it lines up. Same thing as the other side. Just put that one's right bang on, don't need to do it. Just like that. And drill. Putting these bolts through to tie it all together through the holes that we just drilled. I'm pretty slow with this stuff because I'm just a carpenter. I work with wood all day. Working on sleds is something different to me, but good to know as well. I will slowly tighten now just to make sure it's all good.
Perfect.
There we go. Beautiful.
So same thing, bolts here,
Yep.
and then you put your 2 bolts in, one side and the other, right in there.
Alright, so there's the adventure of rear bumper. Hope you guys like the color as much as I do. I think it all, the seat, the spindles, the skid, everything comes through pretty sweet. And hopefully it does its job of not letting me fold the tunnel when I go over backwards this year. Thanks for watching and keep on watching. We're going to Quebec now.